We have four options to participate in seminaries and institutes. So, una po, we have here remote, in-person, online, and home study. But for this particular video, we will be focusing on remote option only. So, what does the remote option mean? Ang remote po ay may dalawang ways, no? First is teacher and the students will meet via Zoom. For the reason of unang-una, let's say walang pamasahe papunta sa chapel. Pangalawa, malayo sa chapel. So they can meet via Zoom. Or yung mga for example, WhatsApp, ganon. So, pwede po yan. Pwede sila mag-meeting doon. Pangalawang option is what we call Facebook page na remote option. So, ito pong Facebook page po na ito, the teacher will create a private Facebook page for asynchronous learning experience. Asynchronous po meaning hindi sila mag-meet via Zoom, pero ang gagawin lang ng teacher is magpo-post lang po siya ng question doon sa Facebook page. Private po yon, hindi po dapat naka-public. Ang mga naka-enroll lang po ang nandun sa Facebook page na yon. So, ang gagawin po ng teacher is magpo-post po siya doon ng question, and then the students will answer the question through the comment section din. So, yan yung yung Facebook page. Here are some remote class examples specifically for Facebook page option. Ito po, isang example sa institute class. Sabi ng teacher, what truths can we learn from Joseph Smith's first vision? So, by the way, ito po yung Facebook page nila na ginawa ng teacher. And then, ito yung question and the students responded. Yan. So, when the student responded to the question, then that considered as the attendance for that day. Ito naman po, another example. How did the Lord prepare the way for the restoration? So, to answer this question, read the section 2, lesson 1 of class preparation material and read 1 Nephi chapter 13, verses 13 to 16 and 19. And same thing, the students will respond dito po sa comment section. And then yung teacher naman, mababasa niya kung sino yung mga nag-respond. Then, ilalagay niya doon kung sino yung magkakaroon ng mga attendance. Another thing po, another option for seminary, the same thing then, kindly comment your responses. No? So, ilalagay din yung scripture references and the question, and then students will answer through the comment section. So, pag nag-comment po sila doon, that will be considered as their attendance for that day. Yun lang po.